Hello and welcome to the Gala Tent Why Wait for Black Friday sale page. Here you're going to find some incredible deals as we've rolled back the prices several years. Okay, times are tough, we know that as well as anybody else. Material costs have increased across the entire world, prices have increased and every penny counts. That's why we've decided to put a stop to that, and what we're going to do is absorb some of those costs on your behalf. That means between now and the Black Friday weekend, all Gala Tent marquees and Gala Shade gazebos are being reduced, and we are now the UK's cheapest retailer of our kinds of products on the market. So not only that, we're also continuing our philosophy of free delivery on orders over £100. Our competition, they're charging between £15 and £35 to get something to you within 5 working days. We've always offered free delivery with same-day dispatch, and we're continuing to do so. So what kind of deals have we got on there? Okay, well, we've got all 3 metre marquees, that's PE and PVC marquees, have got a massive 30% reduction. All 4 metres and 6 metres PE and PVC marquees, 20% discount. The Gala Shade Pro DX, the UK's strongest cheap gazebo, has a 10% reduction. So does the Pro MX Gala Shade gazebo range. The very popular 3 metres by 3 metres Pro 50 gazebo was £449.99, now has been reduced to £389.99, including VAT with free delivery. The 3 metres by 6 metres Pro 40 was £629.99 and now £482.99 with free delivery and VAT. I promise you're not going to find a similar quality product for less. Why wait for Black Friday when with Gala Tent you can get a better product for a better price with free delivery now? Okay, so if you're interested in one of our deals, simply click on one of the boxes, or why not give our team a call on 01709 242454 and chat to them about your needs now.